All right, coming up on Living 808, the new year is here and it's time to stop and make some time for quiet reflection. After the break, Aloha Elixir will join us with amazing and beautiful things to help you create the right mood for relaxation and thinking about where you want to go in the new year. Welcome back to Living 808. The new year is when many of us stop, take a breath, and see where we are and what we want to change. Keoki Tavares from Aloha Elixir has a whole bunch of helpful tools creating relaxing environments that promote reflection and meditation and help us focus on ourselves. Thank you so much for being here, Keoki.
How's it?
Appreciate it.
How's it?
The new year is just upon us.
Yes.
I want to know more about all of the stuff that I'm seeing here in just a moment, but tell me a little bit more about Aloha Elixir.
Aloha Elixir is a local apothecary made here on the islands. We're intention-based products, so all of our products are set intention for the new year or for whatever you want to bring into your life.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know you have a lot of stuff here. What are we going to do? What are we going to make?
So I make these cleansing sprays to clear your house or yourself or your environment of any negative energy or any energies that are unwanted in your home. So these are made with tea leaf, palo santo, gemstones, and other botanicals. So we're going to make one today.
Can you spray that on somebody who may be having a problem?
Absolutely.
So literally, you could. Okay.
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. So are we making it in this? What we're going to put something in here?
We're gonna make it right directly in the bottle today. And we're gonna add some gemstones. Okay. We're gonna add some medical grade tinctures, which is what all of our products are made out of. Okay. And we're gonna mix it up and give you a spray today for the studio.
But this is pretty. What do you do with this?
So we sound charge everything we make. So
sound charge.
Yeah. So what makes us unique is we do 12 hours of sound charge. So it's actually unrecorded in our warehouse. It's recorded. Okay. But for the sake of our show today, we have this play on repeat for 12 hours.
Whoa, I like that. I could irritate a lot of people doing this. but this is something special for what you're doing today.
Absolutely. So that's like a frequency that would open up your third eye chakra, and they're just different sound frequencies that aid you in getting to that specific vibration.
Okay, let's get started on the cleansing spray.
Yes, absolutely. So first we're gonna do this is spring water. Okay. That we're gonna place into. We're just gonna do halfway. We're going to put some hematite, which is grounding and grounds energy. Okay. So all gemstones have a specific energy. So the hematite will kind of keep you grounded when you're all over the place. So you're just going to throw a couple of those in there for me. Okay.
Putting 4 in there. These are pretty.
Yeah. Okay. And next we're going to put some tiger's eye in there.
Tiger's eye.
Yeah.
How many of these?
It's your spray, so you do what you want.
Oh,
you put
I get
however
to
many
keep
you
it.
want. That's for you.
Okay. I put a little extra. What is the tiger's eye for?
Tiger's eye is for protection and
okay, well, hold on.
Yeah, it protects from any negative stuff coming your way.
I'm gonna put a little bit more than I think you probably wanted me to.
Go for it.
Okay, there we go. Thank you.
Sky's the limit. So we're gonna start the spray off by this is tea leaf.
Okay. I'll let you put that in there.
Okay.
And that, what is that for?
Tea leaf is great to cleanse and purify any space. You know, local style, we use tea leaf to bless our house with Hawaiian salt. So we're just gonna you get extra in there.
Thank you.
We're also gonna use olena, which is turmeric, which is also used to bless any space or any person.
I know a lot about turmeric because it also helps when you ingest it.
It's a wonderful, wonderful miracle.
Turmeric is very traditional Hawaiian too, isn't it?
Absolutely. So turmeric, olena, and tea leaf is in all of our sprays. So we're gonna just you're gonna put lots of turmeric in there for you.
Tell me while we're putting this together, I want to know what kind of separates. I already kind of know because you've been explaining it, but I want to know what separates your products, say, from others. It's a specific
intention product. So there's not really intention candles. You have candles or sprays that are for pleasure and just the smell, but we have gemstones, we sound charge, we have the full package. So we're just kind of creating a specific energy to help you, and it's your intention, so it's your energy, and it just kind of catapults your energy forward a little quicker.
Can you tell I have some good energy?
You got great energy.
Perfect, good. Okay, good.
So next we're gonna use, this is holy wood palo santo. Okay. And that is used in South America to as a sage to cleanse and purify. We're just gonna put some of that in there.
What are some of the most popular items?
Romantic rose spray, which is made with Bulgarian rose water.
And the intention on that is what?
It is just to bring out your inner your inner beauty, and it brings out the things that makes you beautiful from the inside out, so people can see it.
Can you go ahead and spray that on me one more time?
Absolutely.
So I'm hoping to be a little more beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate that.
There you go, no problem.
It smells great. It's got a good smell
Yeah,
to it.
it's Bulgarian rose water.
How do we finish this off?
So we're just going to finish this off. We got our stones in there. We can put some amzonite. You want some amzonite in there as well?
And that would do what?
It kind of opens up the energy.
Yes, let's
all
do
right,
it.
all right.
Whatever you think,
All
because
right,
I'd
because it's
love
for
to...
you. So you go ahead and put that in there, so
Okay.
it's your energy.
Thank you.
There you go.
Perfect. This is fun. So do folks get to come? Do folks get to come down and make their own spray, or is it just a product that you've already made? And
It's ready to go.
so
All
this
they
is
do
special for me then. Thank you. I
Absolutely.
appreciate
They
that.
just go to the store and pick that up.
Where can folks find some of your products?
My full line is carried at Sedona, over here at Warren Center, where Crystals Rock in Aiea, and at the Red Pineapple in Kapolei.
Thank you so much.
So
I
evenly
appreciate it. This is
distributed.
great. Okay, so how do you finish
So
this
we're going to
off?
finish this off with...
You're
just
topping it off with the spring water.
Finish
Okay.
the spring water. And we would sound charge that for 12 hours. So you can go ahead and
Can I
sound
try
charge that for a few minutes.
So you put that in there, and then...
No, we're just going to put it in the proximity.
Okay.
So just going to tap it and roll that around the edge.
All right, so I'm going to do this, but I want to say something first. Coming up after the break, we'll wrap things up, tell you what we have in store for you on Tuesday. We're not here on Monday, on New Year's Day, but that's all when Living 808 returns. And here we go, sound charge. Just tap
Go
and
for it.
roll.
Tap it and roll.
This is great.
Honestly, every time I get back, I'm like, my entire body is shaking. I'm like, okay.
So Aloha Elixir, they hooked you up with a...
They did.
I think it's the love
know.
spray.
I'm so lucky. It smells so good.
And I have my intention spray.
And I get candles. I love using candles in college because I'm like stressed out and I'm like, I need something else. So there,
Okay.
that's perfect.
I want to do this real quick to end the show. 2017. Goodbye, folks. Have a great night. Be safe.
Oh.